Well, the problem is that the climate has changed. The way that we grow food 40 years ago shouldn't be the way that we grow food today. Farms are at risk from extreme weather. So the solution that we work on is reintegrating trees onto farmland. On the surface, that sounds pretty simple. It's a term today called agroforestry, but it's an ancient practice. We do it a little bit differently in how we do it, adding in some technology, some modern bells and whistles related to GPS and the types of crops that we put in and how we analyze farms. But it's still putting trees on farms. And we do this in two flavors. I say there's two flavors of agroforestry. The first is conservation, which is putting trees sort of on the edges of farms in order to protect the crops that are growing inside the farm from wind and other sort of environmental stresses. And the second one is lining waterways with shrubs or trees to prevent runoff from nutrients and soil, making sure that what we want on the farm stays on the farm and doesn't pollute further downstream. The second flavor is production. So if folks want to plant trees like nuts, berries, timber, something that they can harvest and make some money off of, we can integrate that in a couple different ways on farms. One of those is through alley cropping, which is an integration of different types of crops on the same farm. You could also do orchard systems, kind of mixed orchard systems. And of course, silvopasture, which is the integration of trees and livestock on a farm.